Everyone's been talking about call profits, also known as the no-sale profit system. But the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another hyped up program? In this video, I'll break down exactly what call profits is, how it works, who created it, the pros and cons, and most importantly, whether you can really make money with it. Stick around until the end because I'll also share my honest opinion and give you some tips on how to avoid the common mistakes most beginners make when starting with this system. But if you're serious about building an income with call profits, the link in the description is where you'll want to start. So what exactly is call profits? Call profits, also branded as the no-sale profit system, is a pay-per-call affiliate marketing system. Instead of promoting physical products or digital courses, this model focuses on connecting businesses with qualified phone call leads. Here's how it works. You run ads or marketing campaigns that encourage people to call a business. When someone calls and meets certain requirements, like staying on the line for 60 or 90 seconds, you get paid. The key benefit? You don't actually have to make sales yourself. Your job is just to generate calls. The system was created by Chris Munch and his team. If you've been in the digital marketing world, you've probably heard his name before. He's known for building multiple marketing systems, including tools and training platforms designed to help beginners break into affiliate marketing. Call Profits, or the no-sale profit system, is one of his most recent launches, and it's designed to help people make money online without the steep learning curve of traditional affiliate marketing. Let's talk about how the system actually works step by step. Training and setup. You'll get access to their training platform where they teach you how to find offers and set up campaigns. Finding offers. These offers usually come from pay-per-call affiliate networks. Businesses are willing to pay between $20 to $200 per call depending on the industry. Driving traffic. This is where you'll run ads, use social media or SEO strategies to get people to call the number. Getting paid. Once your lead connects with the business and qualifies, you earn a commission. What makes this unique is that you don't have to convince anyone to buy a product. You're simply connecting people with a service they already need. Now let's get into the pros and cons of call profits. Pros: no selling required. You earn even if no purchase is made. High payouts. Calls in industries like insurance, finance, and legal can pay $100+ per call. Beginner-friendly training that breaks down the process step by step. Evergreen industries, people will always need these services. Cons: it's not a get-rich-quick system. You still need to learn traffic generation. Paid ads can get expensive if you don't know what you're doing. Initial investment: there's usually a course or system cost plus ad spend. If you're serious about building an income with call profits, the link in the description is where you'll want to start. So, does it really work? From reviews online and user testimonials, many people have reported earning commissions from call profits. Some are making a few hundred per week, while others who scale ads effectively can make thousands. But here's the catch: it depends on how much effort and money you put into traffic generation. The system itself gives you the blueprint, but your results will depend on your execution. Overall, reviews lean positive, especially from beginners who struggled with traditional affiliate marketing and found this model simpler. Click the link in the description to learn more about no-sale profit system. Here's the big question: is call profits legit or a scam? Based on my research, this program is legit. It's built on a real business model, pay-per-call affiliate marketing, that's been around for years and used by major companies. The creators are also well known in the digital marketing industry, which adds credibility. That said, it's not for everyone. If you expect instant money without effort, you'll be disappointed. But if you're willing to follow the training and put in the work, it can definitely deliver results. So to wrap this up, call profits, also known as the no-sale profit system, is a powerful way to earn commissions online without making sales yourself. It's beginner-friendly, legit, and based on a real marketing model. If you're considering it, my advice is to go in with realistic expectations. Understand there's a learning curve and some upfront investment required. I've dropped the honest review of call profits link in the description. Check it out for all the details. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about call profits? Have you tried it, or are you considering it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews and online income strategies.